Hi, good morning my dear students. I'm Miss Stephanie Cole. Welcome to my chemistry discussions. Spark brilliant, inspire life. Today we are going to explore how the number of atoms around the central atoms creates something special. We call it the basic geometry of the molecule. For example, if there are 2 atoms, 3 atoms, or maybe 6 atoms, each arrangement gives a different geometry. But wait, that's only when there are no lone pairs. What happens if lone pair exists? So from the basic geometry, now we get the new name, molecular geometry. Let's use BH3 together and see how this shape change step by step.
Before we study the shape of the molecule, let's see what is basic geometry, molecular geometry, and what is the difference between them. Everything around us has a shape: circles, square, rectangles. Molecules are the same. When atoms join together, they form specific arrangement in space, and this arrangement creates the shape of the molecule. In chemistry, the basic shape of the molecule is called basic geometry. There are 5 basic geometry: linear, trigonal planar, tetrahedral, trigonal bipyramidal, and octahedral. The VSEPR Theory states that electron pairs around a central atom repel each other and arrange themselves to minimize repulsions. This arrangement determines the molecule's geometry. To determine the shape of the molecule, you need to draw the Lewis structure of the molecule correctly, so that you can determine the number of atoms and lone pair electrons on the central atoms, or we call it steric number. Then by referring to the steric number, we can determine the shape of the molecule by referring to the molecular geometry in this table. Let's look at example 1. For water, the static number of oxygen is 4, so we refer to the tetrahedral basic geometry. But in tetrahedra, we actually have 3 possible shapes depending on the number of lone pairs. So which one is the shape of water? Oxygen in H2O has 2 lone pairs and 2 bond pairs. So the actual molecular shape is band or V shape. Now, let's look at the questions.